Okay, in this video we're going to talk about, again, monetizing your blog, and we are going to talk specifically about two different ways in which you can earn an income with the traffic that you're getting to your actual blog. Now, obviously you can do advertisement, and we talked about where to place the ads in a previous video. But you can also earn money or you can earn an income from affiliate marketing, which you will have to sign up for. But now let's talk about the difference and why people tend to shy away from affiliate marketing. Number one, because they perceive that affiliate marketing is not passive enough, right? And so basically with affiliate marketing, you have to get people, or you have to entice people, or you have to try to influence people to take an action. And so typically when people get started in internet marketing, they don't believe that they have the skills necessary to help people or to entice people to take an action. And so they perceive that if they put advertising on their blog, that is an easy way to monetize. In other words, then people will then come to the site, see an ad that's already done, and click on it, and then you'll get paid. It's perceived that that's easier. However, let's talk a little bit about advertising. Now, advertising is indeed passive. The problem with earning money from advertising is that it is incremental. In other words, you have to have a lot of traffic and you earn a little bit on a lot of traffic. And so the only way in which to maximize your income is that you need to have a lot of traffic. In other words, if you're only getting a few pennies to a dollar every time somebody decides to click an ad that you're not necessarily trying to influence them to click, you are going to have to, again, have a lot of traffic coming to the page, because again, we're not even trying to influence these people. Now, the reason that this is so popular among internet marketers, both those who have been involved for a long time as well as those who get started, is due to a blogger named Shoe Money. And I'm going to show you his blog, and I'm going to show you kind of the famous photo that really got people started thinking about how to get advertising on their site. Now, you may not be able to see that closely, but what it shows is that Shoe Money has a check from Google for $132,000 that he earned in a month with all passive traffic and with all traffic that he got from SEO or search engine optimization. And so ever since that time, people have been focused on earning an entire income from AdSense, thinking that if Shoe Money can generate $132,000 in a month, perhaps I can generate maybe 1/10 of that, and that would be a significant income. However, again, let's talk about this again. In order to do that, you've got to have a lot of traffic in order to do it. A lot. And what it relies on pretty much is the effectiveness of the advertisements that are on your site. You really don't have any control over what the visitor actually does. Now, the difference is between advertising and affiliate marketing is naturally you are dependent on, in terms of your income, you're depending on people taking an action, right? So people come to the site and you get to influence them in the action that they're taking. So in other words, you're going to be doing something, and we're going to be talking about this in the next video. You are going to be pre-selling them. In other words, you're going to take the steps to get them ready to either take an action to opt into a list or to click through to a website in order to buy something. But what you're doing is you are influencing them in the affiliate marketing process. Every time a person takes an action, you'll actually get paid, but you get to influence the process. So in not being actively involved in getting the customer or getting the visitor to take an action, you're actually missing out on a lot more income. The other part to affiliate marketing is that you're going to make more money every time someone actually takes that action. So typically when you are advertising on your site and somebody clicks on an ad, you get a portion of the actual cost, which turns out sometimes between 50 cents to $1 to $2, but it typically is not a lot of money. And so that's why in order to earn a daily income, you've got to have a lot of people. With affiliate marketing, you could end up getting an actual portion of a sale. It's like a commission, and you get a commission for helping the company to generate leads. So if someone comes to your site, clicks on one of the advertisements, and they then opt into a list, you are going to actually get paid some of what they're willing to pay for your generation of the lead. So affiliate marketing and advertising, they're different. And advertising is, again, it's a passive activity, but is not the only way to monetize your blog. We're going to talk about this process that most marketers, when they first get started, they shy away from. This is a way that if you are willing to take this challenge, you can literally make more money than you would otherwise waiting for the traffic by doing affiliate marketing. So with that, I will see you in the next video where we will be talking about this act of pre-selling.